who just finished their third year exams? That's us. Us, me and Liddy.
Third year
We're
med school
finished.
who?
We just came out of our very final exam and we are officially free students.
Free from the shackles of medicine. Guys, I'm not even gonna lie to you. Why are they making students do exams in the middle of July?
It's July.
It's literally July.
What's the date? July 14th.
July 14th. My July's gone, it's literally August. But guys, we outside!
Hi guys and welcome back to Journey to Med. My name is Hazel.
And my name is Liddy.
And we are two third-year medical students who have just finished their exams, and we use this channel to document our journeys to becoming doctors while sharing some student tips as well. So as you guys saw, we're done with exams. We're done, and now we are on our uni campus, not to do work, not to go to the library, but to get changed because we're going to an event. And that is us all dressed.
We're going to an event that Instagram is hosting.
Yes.
It's gonna have food and drinks and good vibes. So yeah, you're coming along with us.
I'm literally so excited. Guys, look who it is, the one, the
only Cambridge graduate, Shahzan Shah.
Since you last saw him, he graduated.
Yeah, I'm a changed man.
He's a changed man, literally.
Graduate.
Yeah, guys, we dragged Shahzan out of bed. We're like, you're coming with us to this Instagram event.
I was looking forward to all we have to do these days. So.
Guys, we made it.
Check. New fit, new watch, fresh kicks, boardwalk, hit the spot with whole squad, rolling up like big shot. Never is when I stop, hit the highway 1, now we headed for the boardwalk.
We've never felt more at home just vlogging and taking content. Everyone's got their camera
here
now.
is a content creator.
We're at home. We're literally at home.
One cent, two cent, hot ride, boardwalk. Look, many. Catch me riding double shot like dropping to the summers. Catch me with a baddie from Selena's, them and all they friends. Rolling with the squad, staying cool like a ceiling fan.
We stepped outside to take some Instagram pictures, as you saw. The lighting's not nice. Ooh, the lighting's nice.
Good. Yeah, good. Let's see. How's the event going?
How's the event going?
Really good, food's good, vibes are nice.
I think we're actually convincing Shah to become an influencer.
It's a bit too loud, the music inside, but DJ's sick. No complaints. No complaints, thank you.
Guys, where are we going? We actually don't know. All we know is we want dessert, but we don't know where we're going.
Keep watching to find out.
New fit, new watch, fresh kicks, boardwalk, hit the spot with whole squad, rolling up like big shot. Never is when I stop, hit that highway 1, now we headed for the boardwalk. 1 cent, cool sir, 1 cent, cool sir, hot ride, boardwalk. 1 cent, cool sir, 1 cent, cool sir, hot ride, boardwalk, hey.
Good morning guys, good morning. Today is Friday and I have a jam-packed day. So firstly, I need to film with Liddy, who's downstairs getting ready, hence all this lighting set up. Oh,
hey homie.
I need to tell them our plan.
Doesn't my outfit look so cute? Like,
guys, this is the fit. Can you even see it? I'm wearing this top and these like jogging bottoms. But anyway,
let's get filming.
this is what I have to deal with on a daily basis. Guys, we are finally finished filming. What did you do to the lighting?
I'm so sorry.
Oh no. Yeah, we're finally finished filming. I'm also finished. I'm so tired. But yeah, now we're gonna go get some work done before we do our nails. Guys, my nails. Where's your nails?
On my foot.
She didn't get any. Oh, we'll show her feet later, but we got ourselves some paninis because we haven't eaten all day and we just realized that, and it's literally like 4 p.m. and we haven't eaten all day. So we're gonna enjoy these paninis in my car, and then we're gonna go get Elizabeth to go get more food and go cinema as well. Ella! Guys, look who it is. The one and only. Wait, why does she look so good? We're literally just going to the cinema. We're literally just going to the cinema. I'm in a tracksuit.
This is a complicated explanation.
Oh my god.
Basically, I was not gonna wear the overcoat thing, but then I was like, oh, it looks great. So
and also it gets cold like later on in the day.
We know where you come from. Stick around, I can show you some. Where you go, where you come from, baby? Make my worst days look like daisies. We can be some, we can be some. You and me some, you and me some. You a reason, we don't need a reason. There's just something about it. You can take your time with.
Guys, we left the restaurant. What would you rate the food out of 10? Where is it, Elizabeth? Okay, there we go. What would you rate the
7.
food? Yeah, I also gave it a 7. Lily gave it an 8. But overall it was good. I'm stuffed. But now we're at Odeon, we're at the cinema, we're gonna watch 4. I haven't even seen a trailer. I've never seen a trailer, no. Where's Lily? There she is. She's right there.
Where you go, where you come from, baby? Make my worst days look like daisies.
You know, I was thinking, can you imagine if you like, if you pay a masseuse, wait, what? Pay a masseuse to come with you to the movies and give you a massage because it's a reclining chair. Just get them a ticket, right?
Guys, I promise she's not intoxicated.
I'm literally fully sober.
No, she just got 1 litre of Coke.
Can you imagine? That would be such a good shout.
Wait, but how are they gonna do it?
Imagine just watching a movie and having someone like massage you.
Okay.
Because you can recline fully.
Yeah, guys, we're like sitting in these seats which like fully recline.
The first thing I thought is I want a massage when that happens.
Someone invest in her idea.
So smart,
a massage cinema.
That would be such a shout.
Okay, Lily, how'd you find it?
I think it was amazing. There were lots of like, you know, interactions with previous movies which I really loved. It made, one of the scenes made me tear up. Just out of 10, 9. I think it was a 9. Yeah, I think for Thor's story it was a 9.
Wow.
In comparison to the rest of Marvel, a 7. But for Thor, 9.
I'm gonna give it a 2 because I thought the directing was really bad.
Wait,
Like,
what does that even mean?
The writing and the direction was really bad, as in the writing was really predictable and the directing meant that it was very difficult for the actors to actually, because it had good actors. Like I love Natalie Portman, but I feel like she was just set up to come across as a bad actress.
This is really confusing.
Actually, you know what, just because they made her Thor 6, why is she holding a damn hammer? But Captain America, it took Captain America years to hold the hammer, but this girl out of nowhere, just because she's kissed Thor, gets to hold the hammer. Justice for Captain America is gone down to a 6.
Okay, well, I rate the movie a 6.5. I think the starting was really confusing. I thought I was watching like a Rockstar movie. I was really confused. But then it picked up. It was kind of funny. I teared up at one point. I can't remember when, but I saw tears in my eyes and I was like, what's going on? Why am I getting emotional? And guys, I am now back home. I'm knackered. I'm absolutely knackered. We dropped Elizabeth to the station and then I drove home. I'm actually going to end the vlog here because I'm catching a flight in less than 24 hours as I'll be going to Turkey to see some of my family and just have some good time there. I think I'm going to put a Turkey montage after this segment ends. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this vlog, make sure to check out our other medical school vlogs and I'll see you guys in a new video next time. Roll the Turkey montage.
Where you go, where you come from? Stick around, I can show you some. Where you go, where you come from, baby? Make my worst days look like daisies. We can be some, we can be some. You and me some, you and me some. You a reason, we don't need a reason. There's just something about it. You can take your time with me. Slow down, we ain't in a rush. And girl, you got me feeling brand new. Hope I'm not doing too much. Where you go, where you come from? Stick around, I can show you some. Where you go, where you come from, baby? Make my worst days look like daisies. Where you go, where you come from? Stick around, I can show you some. Where you go, where you come from, baby? Make my worst days look like daisies.